This is a one-bed, one-bath located in ONE225 York Mills at 1225 York Mills Road. Starting at the entrance, the bathroom is on the immediate right. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, shower and bathtub. The vanity features 2 cupboards below a stone countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Directly ahead of the entrance is the kitchen and living room. Throughout the suite, there is luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. On the immediate left is the kitchen. The one-wall kitchen includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, stone countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the wooden upper and lower cabinetry. Across from the kitchen are 2 closets. One closet houses a white, energy-efficient, stacked laundry machine and dryer. The kitchen flows into the living room in an open concept design. The living room features large floor-length windows with rolling shades on the back wall. In between the windows, there is a glass door that leads onto the balcony. Leftwards of the living room is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom features a large floor-length glass window with rolling shades on the back left wall. On the immediate right is a spacious walk-in closet.